Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies hard, updated. Preheat oven to 325 degrees F, increase flour slightly, and cut butter or oil by about 15%. Stir batter less to reduce aeration, pour into a shallow pan for more surface area, and bake a bit longer until edges are firm and a toothpick shows moist crumbs, not wet batter. Cool completely on a wire rack before slicing to set structure and achieve a firm bite. Adjusting ingredients is key to firm brownies. Add roughly 10% more flour compared to a fudgy recipe, and consider replacing half the butter with applesauce to cut fat yet keep moisture. Stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to tighten the crumb. Avoid using too much sugar, which can cause chewiness. Instead, balance sweetness and structure. These changes help the batter set firmly while preserving chocolate flavor and avoiding dryness. Quick recommendation: if you love following recipes, grab the Kindle Paperwhite for reading in the kitchen without splashing your phone. It fits in tight spaces and stays readable under bright lights. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more baking tips and quick tricks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want a dedicated recipe reader, it's a nice pick. Now let's get back to the video. Baking technique makes a big difference for firm brownies. Use a metal pan and preheat to 325 degrees F, then bake longer than usual while checking every few minutes near the end. Lower temperature and extended bake time let the center set without charring edges. Once baked, cool fully in the pan for at least 30 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to finish firming up. Slice only when completely cooled to keep clean edges.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.